In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart on Dhgate. By the end, you'll be comfortable picking an item, choosing the right options, and confirming that it's sitting safely in your cart, ready for checkout whenever you are. Start by opening the official Dhgate website in your browser. On the homepage, you'll see a prominent search bar and a range of categories. If you already have something in mind, type it into the search field. If you're just exploring, browse categories to get a feel for styles, prices, and what's trending. As you browse, scan results for quick clues like the price range, ratings, and the number of orders. These details help you judge quality and popularity at a glance. If you want to narrow things down, use the site's filters for color, size, price, or shipping options. This doesn't change the process, it just helps you find the right match faster. When you spot an item you like in the results, click it to open the product page. Here, take a moment to review the photos, description, and any sizing guidance provided by the seller. Many listings include a size chart or notes on fit. Checking that now can save you a return later. Also note any estimated delivery windows and available shipping methods so you know what to expect. Before you add anything to your cart, choose the required options on the product page. Select your preferred color, pick the correct size, and set the quantity you want. Dhgate often requires every variation to be chosen before the Add to Cart button becomes active, so make sure you've made a selection for each option. As you adjust quantity or variations, you may see the total update, reflecting your choices. Once your selections are set, take a quick second to double check them. Confirm that the displayed color and size match what you want, and that the quantity is correct. This is the best time to spot any mix-ups before moving forward. Now, click Add to Cart. After you do, Dhgate typically shows a confirmation panel or pop-up. Look to the right side of your screen. You should see the item listed in your cart, along with the chosen variations and quantity. That confirmation means you're all set. From here, you can keep shopping and repeat the same steps for more items, or simply close the panel and continue browsing. When you're ready to review everything, your cart will have what you added exactly as selected. And that's all there is to adding an item to your cart on Dhgate.